It is bloody cold out there. Need to get some more firewood here for the workshop. Got some hand sanitizer. There we go. This is one of my firewood storage areas. You can see it's getting pretty low. Found a little nest on the bottom. Little mice turds all over the place. It's gonna be minus 46 wind chill overnight. So I'm just catching up on some firewood. I was at my cabin for a couple days. We're heading into a deep freeze at the moment. You know, minus 30 during the day, minus 40 at night, with wind chills of minus 50 or colder. And that's pretty common around here. Nothing to get excited about, but this whole winter we've been around minus 5 during the day. So to go from that to minus 50 is quite the change. Really hard to get used to. Like, we're just not acclimatized at all. So up until now, this winter hasn't felt like winter at all. I remember years ago on Halloween, minus 30, blowing, drifting snow, and still handing out candy to kids. You know, Remembrance Day, going to the Legion in minus 30. Pretty common. You know, by the first week of November, we were already acclimatized for winter. Not anymore. Not this winter. But I basically have about 2 weeks left of firewood. Trying to spend a bit less time out in the workshop. Not much work for me out here lately. You know, after Christmas, no one wants to spend any money, so I haven't done any projects for anybody in a while now. And that's usually how I earn my extra income. So hopefully things will pick up. I'll just have to spend more time in the house with my annoying family. Ran out of firewood. So cold. It's still better than being in the house.